Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Today we're going to check out some new crossbars from BougeRV. I have done a bunch of reviews for this company and they always have quality products. As usual, they send me these guys, but I have no stipulations on what I can say. So I'm going to give you my honest opinion about them. If you want more information on them, check out the description and you can check out their Amazon webpage. These guys are designed for the 2018 Plus Crosstrek as well as the 2017 Plus Impreza. They are made out of rust-proof aluminum, so they're a little bit lighter than some of the other products out there, but they can also hold 70 kilograms or 154 pounds, which is actually pretty nice. They install with just a screwdriver in a couple of minutes, and they're more aero than the crossbars I reviewed from them a while back. They look pretty similar to the standard Subaru crossbars. Another nice thing is they do have a locking mechanism so no one can steal them. So let's get the box open and check these out, and then we'll go outside, we'll put them on the Crosstrek and see how we do. So in the box here we have keys, we have looks like an Allen wrench. So maybe it's an Allen wrench, not a screwdriver, that we use to install these guys. And then you have your crossbars, which look pretty standard. So this part here is made out of aluminum. They actually feel pretty good. And then this part here is obviously plastic. And then they do have some directional arrows on here to show you which direction to go, so you don't get any whistling on there. Step one is to use the key, take off the plastic cover. You're going to use the included Allen wrench and loosen up that Allen bolt on top. And what that's going to do is open up the jaw so that it'll fit around your roof bars. Next thing you want to do is measure about 6 inches from the start of your roof bar to where the edge of your crossbars are going to sit. So that wrench there is about 6.5 inches. I use that as a measurement, but they do specify 6 inches. There's a couple ways you can do this. Number one, you can measure the width of your bars, loosen up the screws underneath, and then tighten them back up and stick the bars on and then attach the jaws. What I did is I loosened up the jaws, and then I also loosened up the 4 Allen bolts underneath that allows you to adjust the width. I kept those loose, put the bars up there, and then tightened those bolts up once I had the jaws locked around the roof bars. And if you're going to do it this way, just loosen those bolts up just a little bit so you don't have a huge way to tighten those. So once you have the width adjustment screws loosened and the jaws loosened on each side, you're going to place your bars up on the roof. Just make sure you have the arrows pointed in the right direction. I did not do that correctly the first time. And then make sure you have your 6 inches from the start of your front of your roof bars, and then use that top Allen screw to tighten up the jaws on one side at a time. Once you have the jaws secured on both sides, then you want to come back and tighten the width Allen screws. There's 2 on each side. Make sure those are nice and snug. And then you want to pull on the bars, just make sure they don't move anywhere and that they're nice and secure. When putting the back bars on, again, same deal. You're going to loosen this top screw to allow this little part to loosen up. I also loosened up the 2 Allen keys underneath, or screws underneath, so that I could get the correct width. And then as far as distance apart, that's just going to depend on what you're using them for. My Subaru bike racks that I used to use were a certain width apart, so that's what I would base those on, but those are also adjustable. So depending on what you're carrying, you could scooch this all the way to the back. It's kind of up to you. Securing up the rear bars are just the same as the front. You're going to go ahead and tighten the Allen screw to snug the jaws up against both sides of the car, and then you're going to tighten up the 2 Allen bolts that are underneath to secure the width on each side as well. And the final step is to put the little locking cap on here. And the last one. And that's it. So now we're gonna take it for a drive and see how it looks, see how they sound. Another successful product from BougeRV. Thank you guys for watching. And again, for more information, check below. Check out BougeRV.com. And if you have questions or comments, you can always leave those below, or you can send me an email, which you'll find also in the description. But great set of bars, more aero than the last ones from them that I tried. Didn't hear any noise on my ride. And as you can see behind me, the BougeRV basket connects on these crossbars with no problem at all. So all in all, successful. Thanks BougeRV very much. Everyone, we'll see you next time.